Hi everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I'm here to go over our week 17 agenda for Science Fiction Online. I hope you are all doing well and staying happy and healthy. If you look at the top of our Schoology page, you can see that our streaming and attendance are both posted in the purple and orange dots. Make sure to check those if you have any questions about how attendance is taken as far as your online participation and the online streaming notice. There are also links to my office hours for Wednesdays and our weekly agenda. So let's talk a little bit about week 17. If we open up week 17, we need to read chapter 10 in Brave New World this week. We need to complete our creative writing for week 17. There is also a study guide for chapters 1 through 9's test, as well as the test posted. All of these assignments close on January 4th at 11:59. The test closes specifically at 8 a.m. on January 4th. So there are plenty of time to complete these assignments. However, I do recommend getting it done before your holiday break. The reason that there is so much time between this week being done is because we are starting on a broken week and we don't go back to school till January 4th. So do keep that in mind that this week closes right away when we get back from break. So do yourself a favor, finish the test and finish the assignments before you go on your holiday break so that way you don't have to worry about it. If you guys have any questions about the test, the study guide, or any of the assignments for this short week, please make sure to send me an email. I cannot promise you that I will be able to get back to you right away. I too will be enjoying my holiday, so please be patient. And if you truly need something, just make sure to contact me before we leave on Wednesday. Alrighty guys, I hope you have a wonderful holiday and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.